Thanks for picking up the Fleet OBD tracker. You're going to love how easy this is. Plug and play, extremely simple but powerful, and you'll be up and running in no time. Your account is already set up and your tracker is in there waiting for you. Check your email for your login info, sign in, and give your device a name so it pops up on the map. Look under your dashboard on the driver's side for the OBD port. It's a 16-pin port and every vehicle made since 1996 has one. Just plug the tracker right in, no tools, no wiring, nothing to it. For vehicles 2008 and older, OBD performance can vary. Most work just fine, but it's something to be aware of. If anything seems off, just reach out and we'll get it figured out. Now, take the vehicle for a 10-minute drive. That gives the device enough time to get a solid GPS lock. When you're back, log into the website and you should see your location showing up. If it's still on the default location, double check that the device is plugged in snugly, take note of what the lights are doing, and email us at support@gpsandfleet.com and we'll walk you through it. The lights on the device let you know what's going on at a glance. 1 blink every 4 seconds means you're connected, 2 blinks means it's still searching. The green light is your cell connection, and the red light is your satellite signal. That's really all there is to it. The device will update every minute while the ignition's on and every 2 hours when it's off, completely automatic. And this thing does a lot more than just show you where your vehicles are. It logs mileage, keeps a full route history, and we can set you up with maintenance reminders and after-hours alerts as well. We'll be going over all of those features in more depth in separate videos, so stay tuned. And as always, if you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help. Just call us at 800-578-1809, option 2, or email support@gpsandfleet.com.